playing Minecraft from Phoenix. So playing Minecraft from Phoenix. Just loading. Fun fact, corn is the best food in black side there is it. Bro! Quick play. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can always stay. I'm lagging. Gonna do that video again. I'm lagging. Bro, got smacked. What did I do? What did I do? The map is fine. So let's get warm. Cover the bed. Oh, the game is lagging. The game is lagging. I'm gonna finish that. Don't worry. I'm gonna side brush. So we need blocks. Let's get a stone sword. No, I'm too good. Unless the lag is still here. I don't know how to speak with a mobile, so oh no, bro almost died. My teammate AFK or is he gone? Bro, why did I jump up? My sprint wasn't on. Oh no! Good thing my bed isn't there. But where's my teammate effing dip. I need to store, bro. Oh, bro. That's what I need to store my items. Oh my god. Oh, map. Kung isa yan, don't defend their bed. Not sayang. Then, what the fuck? My bed is already gone. Oh no. I'm gonna avoid. Gonna avoid. Peace out. No, I'm bored. Bored with bro. Gonna upgrade my base. I'm gonna use this first. Bro, got 200 too.